How to fix Google Chrome not working in Windows 11. To fix Google Chrome not working in Windows 11, try 1. Run Google Chrome as an administrator. 2. Run Windows Compatibility Troubleshooter. 3. Open Chrome in incognito mode. Enter chrome.exe. Incognito command in run box. 4. Open Chrome without any extensions. Enter chrome.exe. Disable extensions command in run box. 5. Disable antivirus software. 6. Delete your Chrome user profile at %user profile %app data /local /google /chrome /user data. 7. Delete the chrome.dll file and flush the DNS. Commands: IP protocol configuration /flush netshare winsock reset restart your system. 8. Remove and reinstall Google Chrome.